this is a really quick video. I just want to show you a quick way to use a VPN, okay? So there's a whole bunch of different reasons that you use a VPN, but as a dropshipper, eventually, if you're in a foreign country, you're going to notice that you want to order something in the US, but the site is thinking that you're in Nicaragua, like in my case, right? So you'll need to use a VPN, and it can be a little bit confusing because there's a whole bunch of them, but don't worry guys, there is an internet browser you can use that has it all built in. It's just like using Google Chrome or Firefox or Edge. It's super, super simple. One click of a button and it looks like you're in the United States. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. And we're gonna do this by going to Funimation.com, and I wanna watch Yu Yu Hakusho, one of my favorite animes. The trouble is, I'm on a computer in Nicaragua, so Funimation chooses to look at my IP address, see I'm in Nicaragua, and then go, hey, we don't want to show you this content because it's not available in your country for whatever reason. Don't worry, really easy workaround. All you need is Opera, which is an internet browser, and it's actually, honestly, probably my favorite internet browser. So what we're gonna do is go to that same website that we just went to, except you're gonna see that it actually loads the web page for us. Look at that. See? A specific episode of the show. I'm not getting that error message saying, hey, you know, we can't be in this country, yada, yada, yada. And it will load and play eventually. I swear, I'm not a liar. Come on, prove me real. See? An ad. What? Bum, 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 bum. Bum. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Okay. Come on, finish the ad and then show the actual show. I just want to hear the theme music. Yeah. See? It works. And I can click up here and turn this VPN off, and then click refresh. And then look, it doesn't work anymore. Q. But then I can just go up here and click on, and then click refresh. Sometimes there are some issues with changing it that quickly, but look, oh, it's so easy. So obviously I'm using this to watch anime, but you can use a VPN to accomplish tons of different tasks. And it's something that you should know about as a dropshipper. You're not always going to have to use it, obviously, but it's quite a simple thing to accomplish. As you see, I literally just clicked one button, and I was able to make the website think I was coming from an IP address in the States. So I just want to demystify it a little bit and show you guys it really isn't that complicated. And just so you guys know, for reference, when you first install Opera, this button isn't going to be here. You're going to have to go into your settings, and in Opera you can find that by going to menu and then clicking on settings. And from here, you want to click on browser and then scroll down and then enable VPN. I'm not sure where that setting is though. Personal use, enable mouse gestures, network, continue where I left off. Privacy and security, is this where it is? Yeah, okay, so you click on privacy and security and then you click enable VPN. Woo! Awesome. So that's all you guys have to do. Quite simple. See you next time, guys. Ciao.